Hi, good morning. Now I am going to discuss an important command, set more of. In Stata, the command set more of is a handy feature that allow you to view all of output without interruption. For example, if we press tab S, then we cannot see all output. Normally, Stata pause the display of result after certain number of lines, promoting you to press a key to continue. For example, this can be useful for step-by-step analysis, but can also slow you down when you are running lengthy script or analyzing a large data set. By using set more of, Stata will display the entire output continuously. So the command is set more of. Press enter. Now if we keep tab this, yeah, if we tap another, however, if we would like to see step by step, then obviously we can type set more on, press now. If this is button height, yeah, now we can say step by step. If we would like to cross it, then press this cross break. And if again we type set more of. Okay. Using this command, we can on set more and we can off set more anytime. Thank you.